Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to create and format a bar chart in Power BI Desktop. First, open your Power BI Desktop and load your dataset. For this example, we have a dataset with employee names, salary, and bonus. To create a bar chart, click on the bar chart icon from the Visualizations panel. Drag employee name to the y-axis and salary and bonus to the x-axis. You should now see a simple bar chart on your report canvas. Next, let's format the chart. There are two main types of formatting: visual formatting and general formatting. Visual formatting includes options like y-axis, x-axis, legend, grid lines, bars, data labels, and total labels. For the y-axis, click on the y-axis section. Under Values, you can change the font, size, and color of the employee names. Under Title, you can change the title text and color. For example, set the y-axis title to Employee Name and choose an orange color. For the x-axis, click on the x-axis section. Under Range, you can set the minimum and maximum values or use a log scale. Under Values, you can adjust the font, size, and units such as thousands or millions. Under Title, change the title text to Sum of Salary and Bonus and select a color like orange. After these steps, your bar chart will be clear, colorful, and easy to read. You can also explore additional formatting options like data labels, bar colors, and tooltips to make your chart more interactive. And that's it! You successfully created and formatted a bar chart in Power BI Desktop.